A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, on behalf of Voice and Data, a cyber media publication, India's leading telecom magazine welcomes you all to the 6th edition of the Voice and Data Telecom Leadership Forum on 5G. Let's have a big round of applause for our 6th edition this time. As you all know, cyber media is more than 4 decades old and the largest IT media company. It has lived up to its traditions in creating quality media brands for the ICT industry, the enterprise community, and society at large. One of its brands, DataQuest, is celebrating 42 plus years of its inception. The year 1994 marked a turning point for the telecom sector in India, with the introduction of the National Telecom Policy, which ushered in a new era of private participation and competition. Cyber media envisioned the future and these changes and launched the Voice and Data magazine just a few months after the policy was announced. 30 years of telecom also marks the 30th anniversary of Voice and Data. Cyber Media launched Voice and Data in 1994 and is India's leading telecom media brand, connecting the digital world for all these 30 years. So today, the theme for this conference is Igniting Innovation, Empowering Entrepreneurs, and Driving Growth. Igniting innovation, empowering entrepreneurs, driving growth, all these encapsulate the core principles of modern economic and technological advancement. Innovation serves as an engine sparking new ideas, disruptive technologies, and novel approaches to solving global challenges. Today at Voice and Data TLF 5G conference, leading industry experts, visionaries will delve into the latest breakthroughs, trends, and opportunities across the telecom landscape. From visionary startup driving cutting-edge technologies to telcos spearheading initiatives and policymakers shaping standards and regulations, the event will also offer a comprehensive exploration of the evolving telecom system. So before we start the conference, I would like to take a minute to express my gratitude towards our partners and industry associations whose constant support has helped us bring this 6th edition of the 5G conference. Our presenting partner, Cisco, Platinum AI partner, PC Solutions and HPE, Telecom partner, Airtel 5G Plus, Gold partner, Vodafone India Idea Limited, SATCOM partner, Hughes Communication India, academia partner, APJ Education, research partner, Cyber Media Research. Our supporting partners, Broadband India Forum, COAI, CMAI, DIPA, ICEA, Indian Space Association, TIMA, Telecom Sector Skill Council, SIA India. Now, before the session starts, every auspicious thing in India begins with the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. So may I now invite on stage our special guests, Shri Piyush Vaish, partner and TMT industry leader, Deloitte South Asia, Shri Randeep Singh Sekhon, CTO, Bharti Airtel, Mr. Vish Iyer, President, Service Provider, APJ Cisco, Mr. Gulshan Khurana, EVP, Vodafone Idea, and Ms. Rakhi A. Chachra, Global Research Leader, Telecom Media and Entertainment Institute of Business Value, IBM, to come on stage with Pradeep Gupta ji, Chairman Cyber Media, to light the lamp.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं
Can I also request PG guests to please be on the stage for a minute so that PG can just present you with a bouquet of our token of appreciation? Can all the guests just be on stage for a minute? Can we have the bouquet presentation to Mr. Piyush Vesh? Mr. Randeep Singh Sekho. Mr. Vish Iyer. Mr. Gulshan Khurana. And Ms. Rakhi H. Achra. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And may I invite Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Chairman Cyber Media, to start the 6th edition of our 5G conference.
Thank you very much. 30 years, Voice and Data has, of course, been looking at the telecom industry and reporting and trying to steer what should be the direction. And of course, 5G is a big sort of a change that is taking place. In 3G, we were followers. In 4G, we did one of the fastest rollouts. 5G is the time when we have to take the lead, right? And I think some of the initiatives that we are taking is indeed in that direction. And I'm sure today's conference and today's thoughts that will be shared by industry leaders will help a long way in pushing us in that particular direction. This is, of course, the 6th 5G Plus conference that we are doing. The Telecom Leadership Forum, of course, we do 2 events in a year. The TLF event, of course, happens in sometimes in February and March. And we created this special event so that we could address what are the developments that are taking place in 5G. So with those few words, I welcome all of you to today's conference. And I hope that you will be enriched by your experience and the sharing of the thoughts of the leaders that will be talking to us today. Thank you very much.